Welcome back, everyone. Yesterday, we focused on ethics, relationships, and performance, the human foundation of workplace behavior. Today, we shift to workplace safety, health, environmental awareness, and trends shaping the future of work. This topic is not only critical in the workplace, but also forms a significant part of your EISA assessment. By the end of this session, you should be able to 1. Explain the purpose of the Occupational Health Safety Act, OHSA. 2. Identify employer and employee responsibilities under OHSA. 3. Understand emergency procedures, PPE, and risk management. 4. Explain environmental compliance and sustainability. 5. Identify workplace trends and their impact on jobs and safety. The Occupational Health Safety Act is designed to protect employees from injury, illness, and unsafe conditions at work. It applies to all workplaces in South Africa. The Act places responsibility on both employers and employees. Employers must ensure a safe environment. Employees must follow safety rules. This law is enforceable, and non-compliance can result in legal penalties. EISA Prep Q. Be able to describe the purpose and scope of OHSA. Under OHSA, employers must provide safe equipment, PPE, training, and emergency procedures. Employees must comply with safety rules, use PPE correctly, report unsafe conditions, and cooperate with investigations. This shared responsibility helps prevent accidents and protect everyone in the workplace. Every workplace must have clear emergency procedures. Common emergencies include fires, medical incidents, chemical spills, and structural failures. Employees must know their roles, raise the alarm, evacuate safely, assist others, assemble at the meeting point, and report to emergency coordinators. EISA Prep Q. You may be required to list or sequence these steps. PPE stands for personal protective equipment like gloves, boots, helmets, goggles, and ear protection. Risk assessments identify hazards in the workplace and ensure the correct PPE is provided. PPE is the last line of defense against workplace injuries and must be used correctly and consistently. Employers must train employees in proper PPE use, and employees must comply. Incidents must be reported immediately to prevent future harm. Employers are legally required to record, investigate, and report incidents to the Department of Labor where applicable. Employees have a duty to report unsafe conditions or injuries. EISA Prep Q. Understand the sequence: report, record, investigate, act. Workplaces must manage their environmental impact responsibly. This includes reducing waste, recycling, minimizing pollution, conserving energy, and following environmental regulations. Environmental sustainability supports legal compliance and enhances company reputation. Workplaces are changing rapidly. Automation, artificial intelligence, and digital transformation are reshaping how tasks are done. Remote and hybrid work models are increasing. Companies are also investing in environmentally sustainable practices. EISA Prep Q. You should be able to discuss how these trends affect workers, safety, and training needs. Trends bring both opportunities and risks. Opportunities: improved efficiency, innovation, flexibility. Risks: job displacement, data security, skill gaps, new types of workplace hazards. Employees need adaptability and continuous learning to thrive in this changing environment. Scenario: an employee refuses to wear PPE and gets injured while operating equipment. Group discussion: which OHSA responsibilities were violated? What procedures should follow? Here is a guide. Link back to legal responsibilities, reporting, and discipline. EISA. Application of OHSA responsibilities and reporting procedures. Scenario: a company introduces automation and green packaging. Here is a guide. Learners identify required training, updated safety procedures, and environmental benefits. EISA focus, demonstrating understanding of trends and compliance adaptation. Let's recap key points. OHSA responsibilities for employers and employees. Emergency procedures and PPE requirements. Incident reporting protocols. Environmental responsibilities. Trends shaping the workplace. Typical EISA questions are as follows. What is the purpose of OHSA? List employer and employee responsibilities. Describe emergency procedure steps. Explain the role of PPE and risk assessments. Identify current workplace trends and their impact. Today we've completed the core knowledge areas of this module: health, safety, environment, and workplace trends. These concepts are both legally required and practically essential in every workplace. In the next session, we'll focus on final EISA preparation and revision, linking all 4 days together to ensure you're fully ready for assessment. Thank you.